Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you another KRC20 ecosystem coin, Snapseal, and that is the first ever DEX in Caspa ecosystem. That's why you can see, friends, entire market is dumping due to war condition and many other reasons. But Zeal is pumped by 110%. Look at this chart. Okay, friends, you can see while initial launch at $0.025 and hit almost $0.175 all-time high price. So you can also check out that right now we are on this all-time high also. So definitely this DEX can be next maybe Bitcoin in crypto market, just like Radium coin, just like many BNB coin, and maybe other coins. There are Dexes coin. You can see, friends, current market at $8.4 million and $287,000 trading volume in last 24 hours, and at 240 million supply and circulation only 51 million. So it's not good. That is I think only 20-25% supply is in circulation. That's the only bad thing about this coin. Decentralized exchange token and decentralized finance, so this is good, and that is the reason that's why this coin is pumping in bear market. You can see, friends, all-time high was $0.18, only 16% down this all-time high. That was 1 year ago, sorry, 1 hour ago, and all-time low price was $0.025, 500% pumped in its all-time low just 8 days ago. Okay, on 8 days ago this coin was launched here, and CoinEx is the only central exchange where this coin is listed. And friends, I think Zeal coin can be next big coin because still Caspa is no on Binance yet, and we no have massive high for KRC20 meme coins and KRC20 ecosystem coins yet. But definitely when we see a massive high for KRC20 meme coins and all other altcoins, then definitely this coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. See, friends, okay, the ultimate liquidity layer for on-chain trading. Okay, so this is basically a DEX, just like we have Pancake and Swap in BNB ecosystem. We have Uniswap in Ethereum ecosystem. We have Radium and Jupiter in Solana ecosystem. Just like that, we have Zelius Swap, that is the Caspa ecosystem DEX. That's why this coin is massive hype in crypto market right now. And I can see, friends, tokenomics is also looking good. 24% for farming, 20% for pre-sale, 10% for core team, and 9% tokens are for liquidity and sorry, marketing and listing, and 10% for airdrop, and Infinity Pool has 18% is tokens. So overall tokenomics is good, and you can also check out Steam. 3055 followers for this coin. Okay, joined in April 2022, and the first AM best DEX and Caspa ecosystem. Official partners: Nacho the Cat, that is the high market coin in Caspa ecosystem. And you can check out all further details here. And friends, no doubt tokens looking good, and this community is looking good. You can see, friends, Vita 7 is live now on Caspa testnet, and there's no many major central exchange listing for this coin yet, but definitely, friends, as this coin has right now massive hype here, so it's possible. And this DEX is right now getting some trading volume also. Okay, so you can also check out all further details by yourself also. And first, don't ignore that this coin has only $8.4 million market right now, so very super low cap coin and highly risky also. And only worry thing about this coin is this circulation supply, that is only 51 million only. 240%, okay, 240 million total supply, but in circulation only 51 million. So huge supply left to come in circulation. I think that's the reason, that's why maybe we can now see its listing on tier 1 central exchanges. But friends, is still good that this coin is already pump huge, and Caspa ecosystem DEX coin, because we have already many meme coins in Caspa chain, but this, I think, the first ever DEX coin in KRC20 ecosystem. And CoinEx is the only central exchange where this coin is listed. Is still loads of central exchange listing left for this coin. Definitely when this coin will be listed on many other major central exchanges, then we can see maybe okay, price and market cap goes up. So this video is no any financial advice video. This coin has potential. That's why I suggested with you. Still, I'm not holding this coin, but definitely I can buy this coin soon. And then I will also share with you on my Telegram channel that today I'm buying. My buying market range around $4 to $5 million. I'm not going to buy this coin at its current price. Maybe this coin can shoot up from here, but there are some chances because crypto market is not going well right now, and maybe there are some chances that we can see this coin to come down, because right now we are on its all-time high. You can see, friends, 1 hour ago. Okay, so I'm going to wait for its market cap to come down around $4 to $5 million, or at least $6 million. Then I will make some entries in this coin also.